What up, mga solid subscribers na. Okay guys, papanoorin po natin itong Beanie Makes Merry with Special Award na. Makes Merry with Special Awards na. So I think ito po yung in-awardan sila na yun sa, basta panoorin na lang maiking no. So disclaimer guys, hindi ko alam kung lalagyan ko po siya ng watermark or what no, kasi baka tayo ma-block since this is a ABS-CBN Entertainment property no. So cross fingers, sana po hindi tayo ma-block, pero kung ma-block tayo, I'm very sorry, lalagyan ko po siya ng watermark no. Okay, panoorin po natin to.
At ang next natin yung Breakthrough Awards na, Gretch.
No, itong susunod na special award po natin ay patunay na ang karera nila ngayon changed their lives. Talagang feels like the rainbow in the sky dahil it blooms so well. Dahil po sa kanilang dedikasyon, pagmamahal sa kanilang ginagawa at dahil na rin sa mga naniwala at patuloy na naniniwala sa kanila.
Tama.
Siyempre, ito na. Nahuhulog talaga ang karamihan sa kanila because of their natural talent and charm. This is truly, Gretchen, a breakthrough year for our nation's girl group, Beanie.
Binasag ng Beanie ang mundo ito 2024.
Once again, take a look at the big screen and watch this.
The first Filipino act to enter the
merong reaction ng Beanie sa baba.
Global chart on Spotify, now with over 810 million total streams.
Basta niya, ba't niya nutok sa akin yung camera?
Always raising the flag. They're also the first Filipino artist to perform at the KCON Music Festival.
In LA. Yeah.
Recently, they were awarded as the Best Asia Act at the MTV Europe Music Awards.
So thankful for winning the Best Asia Act in this year's MTV Europe Music Awards.
Again, the first Pinoy act to receive such award. With their countless endorsements and finally conquering Araneta with Grand Beaniverse 3-night sold-out concert, truly 2024 is a breakthrough year for the nation's girl group, Beanie.
Let's go!
Aside from their success, it makes us even prouder of the kind of persons they remain to be beyond the global spotlight.
The girls are so much fun to be with. Ang gaan-gaan,
Operations head.
Saya-saya nung naging US and Canada tour namin kasi ang saya nila kasama. As in, kahit na pagod na sila, they're very professional.
Galing ng Beanie.
I am the first one to wake up. So I wake up early because I want to make sure that they're up, diba, on time para makapag-prepare sila. But when I get up and I knock on their doors, gising na silang lahat.
Wow.
Hindi sila pabigat. On their own, they're very disciplined.
Triple silang 8. Kung natatahimik na kami sa pagod, gagawa sila ng paraan para maging mas masaya pa yung workplace.
Gati aya.
Ako si Islaw Utility-man. Ako yung nagpapakain sa mga Beanie noong 2019 pa.
Oh, tagal na pala niya sa Beanie ha.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin sila nagbabago. Ganun pa rin sila nagbabayin.
Sa success nila ngayon, ang nagbago sa kanila, nakakapanlibre na sila. Nanilibre na nila kami. Proud na kami doon.
Grabe.
Beaniverse back.
Grabe naman
that was
yun.
the first time na
Beanie's dancers.
regionals po kami and we had to dance more. And I remember after the show, everyone was almost like dead. As in like mahimatay na sa backstage, as in like gasping for air. And I remember they were the first one to hand out water bottles, pamaypay, and all that, para lang po matulungan kami.
Kinilala nila kaming lahat. Like, kinabisado nila yung names namin. 25 kami, and then lahat yon kinabisado nila in a day. So, parang it shows kung gaano nila binavalue yung mga tao na nagtatrabaho for them.
You guys like this?
As they elevate the reach of Filipino artistry across the world, many people see firsthand the burning passion they have for their craft.
Kahit maliit na mall show lang yan, grabe silang mag-usap-usap ano yung gagawin nilang atake sa certain prod. Which is hindi yun nawala. Even ngayon nag-aaraneta na kami, nag-world tour na kami. Hindi kasi sila pocho-pocho. Alam nila kung anong gusto nila.
Quality
alam
palagi.
nila kung anong magugustuhan ng audience nila. At the end of the day, gusto nila nakaka-inspire sila. Anong gusto nila.
Beanie ba to?
Kasi sila Pucho-pucho. Alam nila kung anong gusto nila.
Bini ba yun? Correct me if I'm wrong, baka hindi ko napanood yung clip na yun o baka may kasama isang Bini
Hindi
rin.
kasi sila pucho-pucho. Alam nila kung anong gusto nila.
Pero wala ko nakikita ang Bini members. Nagkamali ba ng edit ang ABS-CBN?
Hindi kasi sila
Tiyan natin yung reaction ng Bini kung alam nila.
pucho-pucho. Alam nila kung anong gusto nila. Alam nila kung anong magugustuhan ng audience nila. At the end of the day,
Ewan ko
gusto nila
baka kami na ng edit.
nakaka-inspire
Comment
sila.
down below.
It's not just, ay magaling kami. We inspire people.
I've been working with Bini for the past, since 2019.
Roxy Dicky.
Goal-oriented sila. Talagang paplanuhin nila yung gusto nilang gawin, yung in terms of music, in terms of their image, their branding.
Ang nanene
yung
pa
mga
narating
songs,
nandito.
kasama namin sila sa pagpili ng mga songs. So, sila yung type of, artist na talagang importante yung collaboration. May teamwork.
Before a performance,
So
you will
hands-on
see
din
that
sila pala sa ginagawa
the
nila.
nerves get to them. Kinakabahan talaga sila. But when they step on that stage, they're very professional and di mo makikitaan ng kaba. As in, full out talaga. When you see them perform, it's really very magical.
B-I-N-I. Bini!
Their journey has always been an inspiring story of hard work, resilience, and never giving up on your dreams.
Kapag lumilipad kami, pupunta kami sa ibang mga province, natatakot sila kung may manunood pa. Tapos yung tipong, binibilang pa namin, tapos nagugulat na lang kami, paunti ng paunti, na nagugulat kami na nagbo-boom na yung bawat area na pinupunta namin.
Wow!
Nararamdaman ko na po talaga yung success nila. Lalo pag
Pati Marshall guys, so kita nyo na. Pati Marshall, hairstylist, utility, talagang kilala sila. Like may nakakwento talaga, no? Doon may kita guys na mo yun, hindi pinipili ng Bini yung kanilang kakausapin, kanilang kakaibiganin, lahat involved talaga, no? From the highest to the lowest po talagang kung naniniwala kayo sa amin, kahit ano pa yan, kahit ano pa kayo, is talagang bibigyan namin kayo ng attention and appreciation. Wow, Bini.
Concert nila. So, talagang nakahinga ako doon and also happy
Safety
ako
officer
sa kanila.
sa safety ng
Dahil
ng
naging
Bini.
successful sila sa kabila ng mga struggle na naranasan nila sa health nila.
Well, of course, proud tayo pagdating sa success nila as Bini. Like, kita mo gano'n nakadami yung fans nila kasi alam natin kung paano sila nagsimula. But also, proud ako sa kanila kasi kahit na ganito na yung level of fame nila, they still remain humble and appreciative of the people that has helped them reach that point.
And together, they always come out stronger because they know they got each other's back.
Kita mo yung concern nila with each other. They really are very open and honest to each other in calling out each other. You know that they want to make it really better all the time.
Yun talaga feeling ko na kailangan malaman ng mga tao na sobrang, alam mo, magkakaibigan sila. Hindi sila nagkakaingitan. Sobrang love nila ang Bini, yung grupo nila. So, yung mga decision nila,
Sista ako naiyak na.
sama-sama sa decision na yon. So, sa akin, bihira talaga yung ganon. So, it's something na ma-amaze ka sa kanila. Grabe yung support system nila as a group.
And they also have the whole Bloom Nation.
Nasanay ako doon yung camera ko eh. Yung ano ko doon, meron kasi ako doon camera. Eh ngayon dito ko siya nilapag. Doon ako tumingin.
To rally for their continued success and more.
Natuto silang maghintay ng
Hairstylist ng
spotlight nila. And ngayon, ito yung time nila para mag-shine at mag-shine pa.
Kung ano na sila ngayon, yun lahat yung gusto namin mangyari sa kanila, lahat ng mga tao sa paligid nila. Kasi sobrang hardworking ng mga bata, grabe.
Tuloy lang nila yung pangarap, ituloy lang nila yung passion that's burning inside them to pay back all the love and support that the fans have been generously giving them. Ako, I love these girls so much kasi they've been very loving to everybody who supports them.
Thank you po! We're proud of you, Bini! Love you all, girls!
They worked so hard for this, and there's no stopping them to reach for more. Walo hanggang
dulo. Ay, ba doon ako lagi tumitingin dito pala.
Hanggang dulo. Truly our pride and honor. 2024 Breakthrough Artist Bini.
We have here on stage the head of ABS-CBN Music, Sir Roxy Lihigan.
Please join us also in celebrating the I Am Worldwide's Breakthrough Artist of the Year,
Bini!
Magic nila sa mic, guys. Tingnan nyo mic kung paano umiwas si Mika. Tingnan natin nyo. Inaabot ni Master Joe. Tingnan nyo. Mike, oop! Lolo ko ito mga ito. Ala, sinaalok ni Master Joe. Walang kumukuha. Si Aya na lang tuloy.
Our Breakthrough Artist of the Year, Bini!
Yes.
Can we ask a message from Bini Joanna?
Hello po, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much po for this award. I Am Worldwide. Thank you. Kinakabahan ako. Sobrang laking bagay po nitong award na to sa amin. Parang bumabalik lang yung mga moments nung nag-debut kami. We debuted in the middle of the pandemic. Nung nag-shutdown yung ABS, na hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta, kung matutuloy pa ba yung pag-debut sa amin. Pero Star Magic, ABS-CBN, pinili nilang maniwala sa talento namin at tinulungan nila kami. Kaya kung sino kami ngayon, malaking parte po ang Star Magic. Maraming salamat, Star Music. And of course, to our tatay, Direk Loren.
Yes.
Thank you so much po sa paglaban sa Bini. Maraming salamat po to our ABS-CBN bosses. Hindi po namin magagawa to without your unwavering love and support po. Maraming salamat. Again, we are Bini 2-3. Thank you po! 1, 2, 3, go!
Your time has definitely come. Your Breakthrough Artist of the Year, Bini!
Grabe naman, ganda naman ng mga dilag.
Congratulations once again to Bini.
Wow, Bini. Very well deserved. Talagang Breakthrough Artist of the Year. Talagang this 2020, this tuloy 2025 na pala, sorry. Nung 2024 guys, talaga last year, grabe, binasag talaga nila yung mundo. Guys, for me, I've never seen an artist or performer na ganun guys. Ganun yung like, binasag nila like, lahat eh. For me buong Pinas. As in, sumabog, biglang pumutok sila like kahit saan sila pumunta, nagkaroon pa ng, syempre, di ba alam niyo naman may nangyari like mga nagkaroon ng mga kung ano naman like nagkagulo, like nagkasakita ba, hindi naman, basta parang may issue pa nga na parang kumakatok sila sa mga hotels ng girls, tapos biglang sobrang sikat nila, tapos meron pa yung nahahatak sila yung girls, no? Like, sobrang obsessed nila sa girls, no, di ba? May mga ganun nangyari, no, nagkasakitan or what, no? Pero dito may kita guys na grabe yung pag-boom nila, no? So, sobrang deserve nila kasi ang ginagawa po ng Bini is talagang go with the flow sila eh. Like, passion namin to eh. Hindi ba siya totally go with the flow, pero kasi pag sinabi mong go with the flow is okay, sige, ganyan lang gawin natin, okay yan, sunod-sunod lang. Hindi, ang ginagawa kasi nila is ito yung passion namin, so itutuloy-tuloy namin to nang ginagamitan namin ng aming kasipagan, ng aming utak, tapos at the same time is ginagawa nila yung mga bagay na yun nang nasa puso po talaga nila, no? And then passion nila, gusto nila yung ginagawa nila, so ito yung pinaka-resulta, nakita nyo po yung pinaka-resulta, ito na po yun, no? So actually sila, kung makikita nyo ibang interviews nila, akala nila is Pantropico is another one of their songs na, alam mo yun, okay, sige, nakagawa tayo ng kanta, pero hindi nila alam yung Pantropico pala, yung babasag po pala ng mundo, no? Talagang mundo talaga. Actually, mundo talaga, guys, as in, no, ng bansa natin, no? Binasag talaga. Tapos, di ba, naglabas sila ng salamin. Hindi nila na-expect na mas magbo-boom pala siya kaysa sa Pantropico, guys, no? And then, pagkatapos nun, yung cherry on top, no? Actually, di ba, meron silang interview na sinabi nila na hindi nila alam kung magbo-boom kasi gagawa nga sila ng isang English song, no, na hindi naman siya ganun ka katulad ng feels ng bagsakan ng salamin at pantropiko, no? Pero alam mo yun, minahal pa rin ng tao. Bakit? Dahil po sa pangalan nilang Bini, at the same time dahil po sa kanilang 8, no? And galing din kung paano hinandle ng ABS-CBN ng Bini. Talagang nahandle nila maayos. So congratulations again, Bini, and I hope na talagang this 2025 is magtuloy-tuloy po ang success nyo, no? I hope na talagang maging kung ano man kayong ngayon is talagang mas magle-level up pa po talaga this 2025 na. So, guys, maraming salamat. Kindly like and subscribe so DC Point of Peace. Peace.